Now it is quite controversial. One official Panchen Lama, then another sort of Panchen Lama, which I recognize according to our tradition. So I hope that the official Panchen Lama also, you see, I think study quite well under the guidance of one good teacher. Then the Panchen Lama, which I recognize, some time back, you see, no news, disappeared. But then, according reliable also the information, he is still alive and carrying, I think, normal education. So we'll see. Yeah, traditionally, you see, sometimes, now for example, I think at least 1 century ago, one very famous Tenzin Wanbo, his name Tenzin Wanbo, his reincarnation, 5 reincarnation. So, of course, one sort of holding of the seed, just one. But then something like manifestation of the previous reincarnation. You see, there could be more like that.
Thank you.